tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Fortnite on PC. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Step 1. Type in Fortnite in your search browser or engine. Step 2 is to click on their main website or click on Fortnite download. Once loaded, the next step is to click on Get Epic Games or Download Now. Or you can scan it with the phone with the QR code, your choice. And once Fortnite or Epic Installer has been downloaded, you want to click and open up the file. And now it's going to prepare to install on your PC. Click Install, click Yes. This take some time depending on your internet speed. And then click OK. And then you should see another window pop up, which is going to verify the update. And now as you can currently see, it's downloading Fortnite onto your PC. And now you want to sign in into the settings taken right here, and then click Continue. And now you can choose where you want Fortnite or Epic Games to install on your computer, and then click Install. And if you see here on the bottom left hand screen, Downloads, you are currently downloading Fortnite to your PC. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.